In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using the Cochrane template. In this version, the PowerPoint presentation is used on a Mac laptop in the PowerPoint 2011 version. To access the templates, go to community.cochrane.org. Click on Organizational Info. Click on Resources and select Resources for Groups. Select Brand Resources, and here you'll be able to access the Cochrane Community Templates webpage. Once you're on the webpage, select the Community Templates link and click on it. Here you'll notice that there are different files that are organized into different colors. What you want to do is choose the file and the color that corresponds to your group. Click on the link to download the zip folder. Once you've downloaded the zip folder, you'll notice that there are a lot of subfolders within that zip file. What you want to do is locate the PowerPoint templates folder and click on that. And now you'll be able to see that in that folder there are 3 different templates to choose from. And what you want to do is select the template that you wish to use. So for example, this template will allow you to upload 2 logos, this one will allow you to upload 3 logos, and this one will allow you to upload just 1 logo. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use a template to upload 2 logos. And so once you've clicked into this file, you'll be taken to a PowerPoint presentation that looks something like this. And as you can see, in this PowerPoint, you're able to upload 2 logos. And in this demonstration, I am using the Mac version of a PowerPoint in 2011. It should be quite similar to the PowerPoint version if you are using a Windows program as well. And so as you can see, there are a lot of different templates for you to choose from. And the first 7 templates are different versions of the cover page or the first page of the PowerPoint presentation that you can use. So you don't have to use all 7, but you want to choose one that you wish to work with and edit. And so the other pages are working pages, more for the content of your PowerPoint presentation that you can choose from. And so to begin, I want to first off select my own logo and edit. But as you can see, in this viewing mode, I'm not able to select it or edit the logo. So what I want to do is go to Themes, select Edit Master, and click on Slide Master. In this master view mode, you then are able to click on the logos and edit the header. And so what you want to do is select the first slide, and to upload your own logo or any images, you want to go to Home, select Picture, and select Picture from File if you want to upload a file or an image from your computer. And what you want to do is select your logo. And here you go. So as you can see, my logo is fairly big. And so there are 2 ways that you can change or format the size of your logo. The first way is you can right-click and select Format Picture. And go to Size. And make sure that only the lock aspect ratio is checked off. And so the recommended width is 3.5 centimeters. And as you can see, once you change that, the height automatically changes because we have locked in our aspect ratio. And so what you want to do is when you're finished, click OK. And here, as you can see, the logo has scaled down in size and you can replace it just like that. And to upload another logo, same thing. You go into Picture, select Picture from File, and select your other logo that you want to upload. Now, as you can see here, logos are not all the same size, but we are giving you an approximate location of where you can place the logo. So for instance, this logo is more square in shape, so the dimensions will be a little bit different from our suggested 3.5 width centimeters. So what you want to do is delete this template here and move the logo to an approximate location. And now the second way to format this size is click on the logo, highlight it, and drag the corners of the logo so that it can go smaller or it can go bigger. Like that. And now because this logo was a bit square, you just want to make sure that it's fairly in proportion to the second logo that you have. And there you have it. We've modified the logo in the header. And as you'll notice, once I've done that, some of the pages have also been updated, like this. But you'll also notice that some pages haven't. And so for the pages that have not been updated, what you can do is, a quick way is copy. And for all the pages that you've noticed that have not been updated, you can right-click it and paste it in, just like that. For all the pages that have not been updated, simply paste it, right-click, and click paste. Right-click and paste. And so as you can see, I haven't done it for these pages because these ones are the title pages. And so the title page that I'm decided to use is the first one. So I'll only change the first template. And what I want to do is paste it in. There we go. Same thing with the second logo. You want to copy it, right-click, copy. Because I'm using the first template of the cover page, I want to highlight this template. I want to delete it and right-click and paste in the second logo. Same thing. I want to update the logo for my working pages. And so this one has not been updated. I want to select it so that it's highlighted, delete it, and paste. Just like that. Same thing here, highlight it, and paste. And I want to do that for all the working pages, not the title pages, but all the working pages. And paste it. There we go. And so once we've done that, you want to close the master mode. And here, as you'll be able to see, all the working pages should have been updated with the new logos. And now, as I mentioned in the earlier presentation, there are 7 cover pages that you can choose from. And since I selected to work with the first pages, I updated the logo, and with this remaining templates, I will delete them. And to delete them, you simply right-click and delete slide. Right-click and delete slide. If you're using a Mac laptop, you can click on Command and Function, hold those two down, and select multiple slides to delete at once. There we go. And so now what we have is our title page and all our content working pages. And here, to edit the text of the page, simply use your cursor and click on it so that your cursor starts to edit the content. And basically what you want to do is just delete it. Delete the content here. And put in your own text. Same thing for any text that you wish to edit. Place your cursor on the area and highlight the text so that you can delete it and put in your own text. Delete. There we go. Just like that. Same thing with the other pages. Highlight it, delete, enter text here. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of different templates that you can use from. If you want to add in a new page, all you have to do is right-click and hit New Slide. There you go. And then a new slide will appear with the updated logos. And again, here, click here, just like that. And if you were thinking, oh, maybe now I don't want this page, just right-click it and delete it. And as you can see here, you can insert images here with text. So and to insert an image, what you want to do is, as you can see, there is a picture icon here, and it says Insert Picture from File. Click on this, go to the file you wish to upload, and there you go. Just like that, very simple. And as you can see on the bottom here, you can edit this text as well. Same thing here, this one is just full picture. You want to insert it. There we go. Or again, if you want, you can also go here, select it, and there you go, to enter pictures. And so now, as you can see here, there are different versions of graphs that you can use. So this is a very simple way to integrate a graph without creating it on your own. But you can also edit the text and the data. To edit the data on any of the graphs, simply right-click it, click Edit Data, and it will open up in a Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet. And so for this, what you want to do is, here I'll show you, is you can change the values and the number sets here. So for example, I want to change it from 10 to 100. Once you do that, click Enter, and here you notice that this blue graph has changed to 100. Same thing, if I want this to change to, instead of 150, I want to change to 50. I click Enter, and this one went down from 150 to 50. And I want to change this to colors, as you can see. And I will change another value from 115, oops. From 115 to, let's say, 50. Oh, as you can see, it has changed. So similarly, if you wish to do it for this graph, even the line graph, all you have to do is right-click and edit data. And now, as you can see, there are two closing pages as well. This one has the gray bar on the right-hand side, and this one doesn't. Choose the one that you want to use, and the one you don't want to use, you right-click it and delete the slide. And basically, same thing. You click it, highlight it, and delete it. And you want to add in your own text. Again, highlight. And add in your own text. And this is how you create a PowerPoint presentation using a Cochrane template.